guys, how's it going? This is the Kitchen Fairy with another recipe vlog. It is like 3 days to go till Christmas, so
And my birthday is in 2 days.
his birthday is in 2 days, which is on December 24th. Anyways, for today's recipe vlog, I made Turo, which is in Hungarian style cottage cheese. Basically, it's farmer's cheese. It's like compressed cottage cheese. It's nicer or creamier than cottage cheese in Canada or perhaps in US as well. Because this is near Christmas, thought I made Turo so that I can bake some or prepare some Hungarian baked goods for Christmas. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So my boss got me a lot of milk. Normally I would use full milk, but this is 2%. And we're gonna need about 4 liters. That's about 8.5 bottle. This one bottle is 473 milliliters. And we also gonna need 1 liter of buttermilk. So you're gonna pour all this milk into the pot and pour the buttermilk as well. So again, just pour the milk into the pot and followed with the buttermilk. So I have to mention, if you want to make this cheese, you will need to use a pot or a pan that is able to stand the heat of the oven, because you're gonna oven or bake this liquid the next day. So right now we're just gonna pour all the milk, the two milk and buttermilk, and then I will talk more about that. The buttermilk that you need to use is the one that 3.25%. Again, normally I would use full fat milk, but this time I'm using 2% milk. So that 4 liters of milk and 1 liter of buttermilk totally fill up my pot. I am using a pot that actually for baking our sourdough, but you can use other kind of pot as long as it can be used to be baked inside the oven. For now, once both of the milk are mixed like this, we gonna cover it with the lid and we're gonna leave it at the counter, your kitchen counter, for overnight. And then tomorrow, again, as I said, you need to bake this, so you need to use pot that can be used inside the oven. We're gonna bake it for at least 6 to 8 hours. But for now, cover the pot with its lid, and now we're gonna let it stand for overnight. Now after resting for overnight, as you can see, some are already like congealing. It's time to bake this liquid or mixture for 6 to 8 hours on preheated 200 Fahrenheit oven. After 8 hours, you can see it has become cheese if you separate the liquid in the bottom. For now, gonna lay some cheesecloth on top of a strainer and we're gonna pour our cheese slowly. So now we're gonna leave it on the strainer until no more liquid. All liquid gone down the cheesecloth into the pot. Now that the cheese is separated from the whey, we're gonna chill it in the fridge or store it in the fridge until ready to use. You can use it in baking, in cooking, in whatever you like. And there you go, Hungarian style of cottage cheese, which is like pressed cottage cheese or farmer's cheese. This is so good.